Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Then again 7 divided by 7 is equal to also 1. Okay, now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is P means parenthesis, M means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. Both have equal priority. Okay, and M means addition and S means subtraction. Both have equal priority and less priority. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now according to the rule, here is division, here also is division, and here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. 7 divided 7 is equal to 1. Now divide 7, then again divide 7. Okay, now 1 divided 7 can be written as 1 by 7 divide 7. Okay, now according to KCF rule, K means keep this fraction 1 by 7 same as it is. Okay, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction is equal to 1 by 7. Okay, so 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Now 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49. So the correct answer is 1 by 49. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.